Hi students, today I would like to explain one more important property of a moving object, that is momentum. So the momentum of a body. So momentum is a property. So let's define what is momentum. Nothing, it's very simple. So momentum of a body is defined as the product of mass and velocity. So momentum P equal to, we are representing that with a P symbol, equal to, if you can take mass and if you take velocity, if you can multiply that mass and velocity, momentum P equal to the product of mass times velocity. So mass units are kg and velocity units are meter per second. So the momentum units is nothing but kg meter per second. And this momentum is having only moving objects. That's careful, because velocity is only having which objects? Moving objects is only having velocity. So moving objects is only having momentum. Suppose if we take a car which is at rest. Suppose this is a car. So this car is at rest. If it at rest, its velocity equal to 0. If the velocity equal to 0, what about its momentum? Momentum equal to 0, because even though it's having mass, mass times 0 will become 0 only. So only moving objects possesses momentum. So momentum is a very important property when it comes to understand further Newton's laws. Okay, so the product of mass and velocity we define as momentum. Let us take an example at here. Suppose a truck. So this is a truck which is moving. So we used to heard that accidents causes a severe death. What could be the reason? Because even though this truck is moving, so the moving objects having, what's that? The moving objects having momentum. So what, how can I write the momentum? Suppose if this truck having mass equal to, let's take as mass equal to 500 kg, and this truck is moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second. So this velocity is huge. Now you can convert that as just like 2 meter per second. Now to calculate momentum, so momentum you can calculate, you can multiply that 500 times 2, which equal to 1000 kg meter per second. So this is the momentum of truck. Now that value is a bigger. So that's the reason, even though a truck moving with a small velocity, if it hit us, so we used to hurt, because it's having more momentum. So just think in this case, suppose if the velocity is, if the truck is moving with more velocity instead of the 2 meters per second, suppose if I take the velocity of the truck is 20 meter per second. Now you can calculate the momentum of truck. Momentum P equal to mass times velocity, the product of mass and velocity. So you can calculate, mass is given 500 kg and velocity is given 20. So you can calculate the momentum, it becomes 10,000 kg meter per second. Now you can see this value is equal to huge. So why? Because if the velocity is increases, if the velocity is increases, what is increases? Momentum increases. That's the reason, even though a small moving velocity will causes a severe. So the moving object possesses the momentum. Suppose if you can change an example. Suppose if you can see, a small bullet firing from gun. So even though the bullet having mass, let's take the mass of bullet equal to, it's having only maybe 20 grams. So I can take the mass of bullet, let me take as in 50 grams. 50 grams is the mass of bullet. But when we fire from a gun, the velocity of bullet is huge. If the velocity of bullet is equal to, maybe if you can take as in a 120 meter per second, that is the velocity of the bullet. Now if you can calculate the momentum P equal to product of mass and velocity. So mass, I have taken 50 grams. Now we can convert that in terms of the kg. So 50 upon 1000 kg times and 120 meter per second. Now if you can do this calculation, 10 gets cancelled and here 10 also gets cancelled. Momentum P equal to 12 fives are the 60 upon by 10. So 6 meter per second. Now the bullet is traveling with velocity 6 meters in 1 second. How fast it is? If that much fast object is hitting our human flesh, what happens? Automatically it will pierce inside our body. Even though mass is less, but velocity is more. So obviously the momentum of the bullet is more. So that's why a small bullet, a bullet of small mass fired from a gun can kill a person because of it's having large velocity. So if the velocity is more, the momentum is more. So this is how the momentum causes a severe death. So finally I can say about momentum. Momentum is having only moving objects. It's only for moving objects. So the momentum P is product of mass and velocity. The momentum can be increased. If mass is increases, momentum also increases, and the momentum can increase if the velocity is also increases, momentum is also increases. The momentum units are nothing but kg meter per second. So this is one more property for the moving objects. Moving objects having velocity, moving objects are also having acceleration. Now we are learning another property for moving objects, that is momentum. A simple definition, you learn it properly. The product of mass and velocity is defined as momentum.